All my life I wanted to be pretty. People became overly reliant on fossil fuels.
하지만 인간들은 자연을 과하게 사용했고 지구에는 큰 위기가 찾아왔는데 시간이 지나 또 다른 재생에너지를 찾아내는 데 성공하지만 이를 유지하기 위해 인간들을 하나로 모으기가 쉽지 않았습니다.
So they came up with a radical solution, the transformation.
사람들은 16번째 생일이 되면 원하는 모습이 될 수 있는 수술을 의무적으로 받아야 했고
Everyone is healthy, happy, pretty.
수술을 받기 전인 사람들을 어글리라 불리게 됩니다. 그리고 곧 수술을 받을 예정인 텔리.
Mirror, make me pretty.
그녀에게는 노즐한 별명을 가진 썸남 페리스가 있었고
What took you so long?
My legs are shorter. Having so much fun.
You will be there in exactly 3 months.
생일이 빠른 페리스는 내일 수술을 받게 될 예정이었죠.
We'll still be ourselves. We'll just be better. You're not gonna let them take your scar, right?
You've always been the best part of this place. Ever thought about when you're finally pretty, you and... What about this? Meet me at the bridge in 1 month.
Good morning. Graduation ceremony begins.
오늘은 졸업식이 있는 날이었고
Dr. Naya Ewell.
You are truly on the cusp of metamorphosis from hatred and discrimination based on the way that you look. Will tomorrow's pretties please come forward?
The bridge. 1 month. Don't be late, okay?
페리스가 프리티가 된 지 시간이 꽤 흘렀지만 어째서인지 연락이 없었고 시간이 더 흘러 드디어 페리스와 다리에서 만나기로 한 날이 되었습니다.
Nose? Where are you?
하지만 페리스는 모습을 보이지 않았고 텔리는 페리스를 만나기 위해 도시로 넘어옵니다.
And when we kiss.
이곳엔 자신이 있던 것과 달리 엄청난 문명이 있었고
Do you know where Garbo Mansion is?
Right there.
그녀는 페리스를 찾아내는 데 성공하지만
I mean, it's beautiful.
It's me.
Tally.
You weren't at the bridge.
Yeah, so you snuck in?
기대와 달리 페리스는 전과 다른 모습이었습니다.
I woke up from surgery and then I realized I just...
An unwelcome individual.
그 순간 몰래 도시에 들어왔다는 사실이 발각되는데 다행히 도시를 탈출하는 데 성공합니다. 하지만 정찰 로봇은 끈질기게 그녀를 쫓아왔고
Get on or we'll both get caught.
위기의 순간 쉐이라는 친구의 도움으로 도망칠 수 있었죠.
That was insane. I thought you were gonna fall off at that. I jumped off Garbo. That's why they were chasing me. You're way cooler than you look.
둘은 금방 친해질 수가 있었고
We have the same birthday.
그로 인해 같은 날 수술을 받을 예정이었죠.
You want to learn how to fly. You gotta learn how to fall. Focus. Lean into it. Oh my god. We finally get to start our lives.
하지만 쉐이는 수술을 받지 않길 원했고
Would it be so bad not to do it? The surgery? Alternative, become all moldy and crinkly? Maybe I'd go to the smoke.
스모크는 수술을 받지 않는 사람들이 지내고 있다는 전설의 도시였습니다.
Meet me at the greenbelt in 2 hours. No, wait, why? What are we doing?
쉐이는 텔리를 따로 불렀고
Hallie, I need you to promise you're not gonna tell anyone. Shay, you're my friend, I promise. Then here we go. He's real, Tally. The smoke is real. I'm not getting the surgery. Nobody judges you for how you look. It's about who you are on the inside.
사실 쉐이는 스모크에 살고 있는 데이비드와 여러 번 만난 적이 있다 말합니다.
Get the procedure, they tell you what to do, and that's it. I want you to come with me. Grow their own food there, Tally. Everyone is exactly who they're born to be. They're free. That's... I can't.
결국 둘의 의견 차이는 좁혀지지 않았고
I wrote directions in a code only you'll understand. That's him. I have to.
쉐이는 스모크를 향해 떠났습니다. 그로부터 얼마 후 누군가 텔리를 찾아왔고
Tally Youngblood.
Would you tell me where we're going, please?
그녀가 도착한 곳은 케이블 박사가 있는 곳이었죠.
Hello, darling. I'm Dr. Cable. Please come in. Shay's missing. Please have a seat. Shay's in danger.
I don't know where she is.
Sooner you do, The sooner we can get to your procedure. Remember anything she said that would help us find her?
케이블은 수술을 핑계로 그녀를 협박해 정보를 얻어내려 했고 셰이에 대해 답하지 않은 텔리는 수술을 받지 못하고 돌아올 수밖에 없었습니다.
Oh my gosh.
그 순간 페리스가 그녀를 찾아왔고
So just tell him everything you know. Squint, we spent every day for 4 years dreaming.
You haven't even pinged me in 3 months.
You'll feel different there. Refuse to help, not get the surgery? You're not breaking your promise if she needs help.
I'm glad you decided to help us, Tally. David, the Smoke, they're developing a weapon. They've decided their way of living is more worthy than
Shay's not part of any of that.
she is now. I need you to find the Smoke and get the procedure, as you've always wanted. Save us all. Once you found the weapon, signal us with this necklace.
그렇게 셰이를 찾아 떠나게 된 텔리.
Find the wall and weigh the face. Don't look down and do not haste.
전에 셰이가 알려준 정보들로 길을 찾아 나설 수 있었죠.
Your journey ends in a sea of white.
I so appreciate your help convincing Tally.
When I saw her, the strangest thing happened. She reminded me of the way that I was.
Brand new path, select few just like you, Paris. I can make you very special.
페리스를 속이고 또 한 번의 수술을 진행시키는 케이블. 한편 잠들었던 텔리 앞에는 불길이 가득했고 그런 그녀를 누군가 도와주는데
Who are you?
I'm David. Tracker.
I had no idea that was there, I promise.
Arms out. Let's go.
We picked up the tracker from the hoverboard. Seems to have been removed.
She's made contact.
It's an outpost. Smoke's still a day off.
Tally? I didn't think you were coming. I can't believe you were right.
Like, my whole body hurts so bad.
So you're gonna tell me about that necklace?
Who?
목걸이에 대해 차마 이야기하지 못하는 텔리.
There's something about this place, Shay. It's not what it seems.
Who even told you that?
I'm just scared for you, okay?
Did you come here to try to bring me back?
I am. It's a lot to process.
To know the Smoke.
셰이는 며칠간 이곳에서 지내며 스모크에 대해 알아보라 말했습니다.
This will be our last burn before we head back.
What's happening? But you set the fires?
Those flowers are turning the planet into a wasteland.
텔리는 자신이 알던 지식과 현실이 다르다는 것을 알게 되고
It was all once green.
David, I see movement in the field.
Where are those scouts?
무사히 정찰대를 따돌리는 데 성공했으나
I just want to know how the scouts found us.
What?
Are you sure you didn't have any help?
But I just saw her risk her own life to save someone who we all care. That's the cornerstone of the Smoke.
데이비드의 설득으로 상황은 일단락되었습니다. 그로부터 얼마 후 스모크에 도착한 이들.
Welcome to the Smoke.
Harder than living in the city. We grow our own food. We don't have money, so we share things and trade. The most important thing, everyone is here because they choose.
텔리는 이곳에서 케이블이 말한 무기를 찾으려 했고
I was just looking for some water. This is
Not your business.
스모크에서는 무언가 큰 계획을 준비 중인 듯 보였습니다.
Scouts were spotted in the West Pass. The city is not going to stop. Our time here is limited. We must achieve our objective. Before you came here, how many times a day did you think about how you look? So alone and so insecure that we don't have time for things that actually matter. Choosing who you become. Close one eye, just above the center.
어느새 텔리와 데이비드는 감정이 싹트고 있었고
That was nice. In place of that thick skin.
You guys are amazing. Thank you so much.
그때 정찰대를 만나 다친 동료가 나타나죠.
These weren't normal scouts. They weren't regular pretties. Never seen anything like them.
Are those David's gloves? Yeah. Objects have a different value here, Tally. He likes you. Are you staying or not?
셰이는 텔리에게 이곳에 남을지 돌아갈지 결정해라 말합니다.
I guess I just want to choose who I become. They say you have a weapon. They are planning to wipe out the city.
Come on.
데이비드는 텔리에게 자신의 부모님들을 소개시켰고
Tally thinks we have a weapon.
I'll put the kettle on.
Come on in.
You both look so much like David. I'm just never really seen that.
I want to tell her. Before the Smoke, they were doctors.
Cosmetic surgeons working.
알고 보니 수술은 명령에 복종하게 만드는 뇌수술까지 함께 진행되었고
I never knew that.
They keep it quiet.
이는 수술을 진행한 모든 사람들이 정부가 원하는 대로 움직이고 있는 상황이었죠.
They erase who you are
But why would Cable do that?
to control us.
As and I couldn't sit back and watch it happen.
이들은 치료제를 개발해 성형수술한 사람들을 되돌리는 것이 목적이었습니다.
For the last 20 years, we've been working on replicating this.
David, I
haven't been completely honest with you. I was told these lies my whole life and believed being so nice to me. I've just done so many bad things. It makes me feel like maybe I am just ugly.
What you do, the way you think, makes you beautiful.
그런데 다음날 아침 정찰대가 이곳에 나타났고 얼마 지나지 않아 동료들이 모두 붙잡혀 버렸습니다.
It's time to let people choose. I've seen your lab, Maddie. Where is he? Your son. Just him.
이미 자아가 없어 보이는 페리스는 데이비드의 아버지를 직사시켜 버렸고
You didn't tell me that you would hurt anyone. Tally, I vouched for you.
Performed beautifully, Tally. Let her go. She'll come to me. Destroy the smoke.
사람들은 모두 붙잡혀갔고 텔리와 데이비드만이 남았습니다.
David,
Coy was right. You lied.
I didn't mean for any of this to happen. I fell in love with this place. I would die before I let them turn me now.
I'm going to get them.
A building I know how to get into. Please let me make this right.
이들은 동료들을 구하기 위해 떠났고 텔리는 친구들에게 도움을 요청했습니다.
I need you guys to gather as many kids as you can and create a diversion. Smoke lives. Write it in the sky. Come on.
텔리는 정찰대들을 다른 곳으로 유인하는 데 성공했고 무사히 건물 내부로 침입하는 데 성공합니다.
Where's Shay? Where's Shay?
They took her to surgery.
Tally!
Shay, your eyes.
Golden, just like you always wanted. You were right. It is the most incredible feeling.
She is breathtaking, isn't she? I suggest you choose surgery.
All right, I'm going.
Humanity needs to be led. You'll be happier this way.
But I won't be me.
We'll be pretty.
그렇게 강제 수술이 진행되려는 순간
Nose. There's your hand. Squint and nose. Forever. Do you remember that?
하지만 데이비드는 자신의 아버지를 죽인 페리스를 용서할 수 없었고
We gotta go. Oh, man.
We got it. We got what we need for the cure. I think I can complete the formula now.
하지만 셰이는 치료받기 싫다 말했고
This isn't you, Shay.
Me. Look at you guys. Paranoia, fear, jealousy.
Perform medical experiments on an unwilling subject.
I'll do it. I'll be your test subject.
텔리는 스스로 실험체가 되기로 자처했습니다.
Honey, there are risks.
It's how we change the world. It took me a long time, but I know who I am now.
We know it's still you.
I'll leave you a sign. Go. Go. I'm so sorry, Shay.
I'm Tally Youngblood!
Welcome to your new home. Are you healing properly from your procedure? Are you satisfied with the outcome of your surgery?
Yes.
알 수 없는 미소를 짓는 텔리와 함께 영화는 마무리됩니다. 평화로운 한 시골 마을. 이곳엔 밀턴이라는 한 노인이 있었고 그는 아내를 잃고 혼자 살고 있었는데 오늘은 그녀의 딸 데니즈가 방문했습니다.
I found this in the bathroom cabinet.
I must have just gotten confused.
Are you feeling okay, Dad?
데니즈는 밀턴의 치매를 걱정하고 있었고
Well, I'm late for work, but you let me know if there's anything else you need.
딸이 돌아가고 그의 삶은 외로움 그 자체였죠. 그날 밤 잠을 자던 중 큰 소리를 듣게 되고 밖에 나가보니 거대한 UFO가 떨어져 있었습니다.
Oh my. There's a spaceship has crashed.
Sir, placing prank calls to
곧바로 신고해보지만 장난전화로 오해받았고
Hello? Hello?
그의 눈앞에는 UFO와 함께 추락한 외계인이 있었죠. 밀턴은 쓰러진 외계인에게 물과 담요를 준비했고 다음날 아침이 되었죠.
Oh my. It's warmer inside. Do you want to come inside? Do you want to come inside? Because it's warmer in here. This hasn't happened to me before. I saw you finish the water, so maybe you want more. I brought you a bunch of different things because I wasn't sure what you'd eat.
그리고 잠시 후 돌아와 보니
You like the apples?
A lot of apples.
In my backyard a couple nights ago. I'm sorry. Used to living alone. Maybe I show you around. This is the bathroom. Here's where you do your business. This is the guest bedroom. The backyard, you already know. That's where you crashed into my zone. This is my family. She unfortunately has passed away.
Hey, Denise.
Hi, Dave.
Your dad was in here earlier. Apples for an alien that was staying with him.
Think that he was joking?
He didn't seem to be joking.
You're 78 years old, and you haven't seen a doctor.
Fine, Denise. I don't need a doctor.
And I'm not taking no for an answer.
밀턴은 데니스의 말에 따라 병원을 예약하게 되었고 잠시 후 옆집에 사는 샌디가 방문했는데
Christ, what the fuck is that?
샌디는 외계인을 보고 깜짝 놀랐습니다.
This is an alien from space, I suppose. He's very friendly. Watches whatever I watch.
This is a very big thing. This has never happened before.
I guess that's true.
Oh, dear God.
Yep.
And you want to keep him here?
As long as he wants.
He's got to be a secret. No more telling anyone. I'm telling anybody.
한편 국가에서도 UFO를 찾기 위해 움직이고 있었고
Hovered in the sky right above the house.
UFO가 떨어졌던 대략의 위치를 집중조사 중이었죠. 외계인은 밀턴에게 그림을 그려주었고
Repairs have begun. That's good. Thank you for the picture. It's very beautiful.
얼마 후 검사를 위해 병원에 온 밀턴.
Just circle the one that's different, please.
He'll be back shortly. He just had an appointment here. You can't talk. I guess I will. I have a daughter, but I don't get to see her much. Monica. That's her partner, Lisa.
알고 보니 샌디에 따른 동성애자였고
I don't know if you have that on your planet. It's been happening here a lot. Sucking up to her mother. Instead of, I haven't seen them in person in 3 years. I don't normally talk this.
He left a can of green beans in the bathroom cabinet. I found a newspaper in the freezer. He told the cashier at Corrado's that there was an alien living in his house.
It was a joke. I'm sorry. I need to go. You set me up. God damn it. You set me up.
I'm trying to help.
I don't need your help.
Hey, Bill. Is everything okay?
I'm fine.
He's had lunch.
얼마 후 외계인에게 대화를 거는 밀턴.
Denise thinks I'm losing it. She wants to put me in a home. And I'm talking to my son. He doesn't like me very much. Being a dad.
외계인은 아무 대답 없이 묵묵히 들어주었습니다.
All right. Arms in the air. You can put your arms down now. At least he's not naked anymore.
I also thought it might be nice if we gave him a name.
You think we can call him Jules?
그러던 어느 날 또 다른 이웃 조이스가 줄스를 보게 되었고
Who is it?
It's Joyce.
What do we do?
Oh my goodness, it's a goddamn extraterrestrial.
Can't touch him.
What? Hey.
She shouldn't know. This is a secret.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell anyone.
He hands them to me all the time.
Maybe he's trying to tell you something.
한편 정부는 UFO를 찾기 위해 시민들의 통화를 도청까지 하고 있었는데
Know it looking at me the way I am now, but I was an item. For a while, I sang. You bet I can sing. And I've still got it, too.
If I leave here, you still remember.
그 시각 샌디의 집에 강도가 침입했고
You're saying his head just exploded.
That's right. And how exactly would I do that?
순간 머릿속에 줄스가 떠오른 샌디.
Where is he?
In the back, we're going to ship. Does this mean he's dangerous?
When someone's being dangerous towards us.
이들은 줄스가 샌디의 목숨을 구한 사실을 알게 되죠.
Jules is on our side, and we ought to be on his.
그렇게 더욱 깊어져가는 이들의 관계.
Do you guys smell that? It's kind of a rotting. Oh my. It's a cat.
그런데 줄스는 로드킬 당한 고양이 시체를 가져왔고
He needs cats. With that one, He needs 6 more.
What makes a ship run his 7 cats?
You gotta kind of take him on his own terms.
이들은 줄스를 위해 고양이 시체를 모으기 시작합니다.
Raccoon. Possum.
샌디에게 치매에 대해 상담하는 밀턴.
He was generally forgetful. I first started believing things in weird. One time he pooped in the bidet. Why? Did the doctor say something that worried you? I don't want to worry you. Don't go down that rabbit hole. You gotta enjoy life.
How many did you get?
We got 2. We need 4 more. I got 3. Well, we still need 1 more. Short of killing a cat, I don't know how we're gonna do it.
Well, what about yours? He doesn't hear, he doesn't see, he can't walk.
Well, he's not dead. He's like my child.
밀턴의 말에 기분이 상하고만 조이스.
I'm sorry about what Milton said. He spoke out of turn.
No one else has.
They're part of the family.
I was too afraid of what it would be like without him. You know, it's been a year since he was able to walk up to me. Milton's right. He's not all I had. He's all I had.
결국 조이스는 결단을 내리게 됩니다.
Let's do this. Better to cut down on the mess.
그렇게 UFO 수리가 완료되었고 그와 동시에 정부에서도 이를 눈치채게 됩니다. 이들은 줄스와 작별할 시간이 되었고
Jules, I'm so happy for you. Brought you something. It's a snow globe of the city. It's kind of means a lot to me.
I don't know if it gets cold. Get some use out of it.
I didn't know we were giving gifts, so you don't forget what I look like. I think he's inviting us. I'll go. I'd like to go with you.
Milton, you can't. You've got Denise.
I prefer not to have Denise see me get worse and worse every year.
그 순간 딸에게서 온 전화.
Time for your haircut. So I could come by Saturday.
We've been fighting and I just want to hang out.
Don't you work Saturdays?
I'll get Heather to cover for me.
I'll have to check my schedule.
I'll wait to hear.
I love you, Dad.
You too.
딸과의 통화로 마음이 복잡해진 밀턴. 그 순간 국가요원들이 들이닥쳤고 잠시 후 이들은 다른 곳에 도착하게 되는데
That was amazing.
Are we on his planet already?
I've got 4 bars and a text message.
I think we're still on Earth. Well, Jules, I guess it's time for your intergalactic journey.
I'm so thankful for your invitation to join. But I've lived on this planet all my life. What's coming probably won't be fun, but I ought to do it here. I'll be okay.
Do you think he remembers us?
Of course he remembers us. He remembers us.
멀지 않은 미래 지구는 인간이 지내기 점점 더 어려운 환경이 되었고 이곳은 대서양에 있는 나토의 작전 기지.
The base is 4 square miles with a working population of
Joint initiative with the Defense Science Office and the British Department of Science.
릭은 군인으로 실험을 위해 가족들과 함께 이곳에서 지내게 되었습니다.
Excited to show you. Welcome. There's 3 bathrooms and an automated kitchen. Look, if you need anything, call me. Day or night.
국가에서는 훌륭한 퀄리티의 집을 제공했고
Which one are you going?
Can't see it. You need a telescope.
이 실험의 목적은 타이탄이라는 행성에 인간을 적응시키기 위함이었습니다. 리그 아내의 이름은 아비게일.
Hi, Abigail. How was your trip?
Professor Collingwood.
Absolutely incredible.
Just an honor to have been selected, sir. You were first one through the wall. Always gets a little buddy.
You'll need committed aftercare. Admire your courage. Rick wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you.
It's bigger than all of us. It's a small price to pay for my son's future.
Our population has grown out of control. Wars have ravaged our planet. Half the world's population starved to death. Children will witness the end of days. Titan. Just like Earth, seconds before life was born.
하지만 타이탄 행성은 대기가 질소로 가득 찼고 혹독한 추위가 있는 행성이었고
Hot, modern, genetic, evolving humanity into the stars.
그 행성에 거주할 수 있게 인간을 진화시키는 것이 이번 실험의 목적이었습니다.
I still don't understand how our bodies won't reject the treatment.
There are no guarantees, Dr. Hernandez. Most of you will fail and be sent home.
Playing nothing and you're going on and on. He's talking about the end of the earth. Please, go on, Professor.
이곳에 선별된 인원들은 뛰어난 생존 능력을 가진 군인들이었고
All of you will be able to stand. Supermen, able to live on another world.
And I hope you're not squeamish. I'll be giving you over 300 shots in the next further extra 15.
함께 온 가족들은 서로 이웃처럼 가깝게 지냈고 모든 일은 매우 순조롭게 진행되는 듯 보였습니다.
Careful.
None of your business. I can absolutely handle my own. I love you.
그 순간 갑자기 쓰러지는 릭. 시간이 지나자 이들의 신체에는 점점 변화가 일어났는데
I never thought I'd see something like this.
피실험자들의 잠수 시간은 30분을 넘겼습니다.
What's their oxygenation?
4%.
그 중에서도 릭은 가장 뛰어난 기록을 보였죠.
Together. Get some sleep.
Can you put my stars on, please?
Good night, Earthling.
Good night, Dad.
Is he sleeping? You want to come in? You are going to be the first man on Titan. I believe in you.
Abby, can I ask you a personal question? You get scared? I didn't want to come here. Could have chosen his own station.
Zane's here because he has a very important job. And you want your kids to grow up knowing that their father was a hero.
Dad!
하지만 아비게일도 사실은 이 실험이 두려웠고
What are you doing? Want me to make you a nice bath or something?
Go on.
Jeez, I feel cold.
I don't feel any cold.
Beautiful.
It's just a shame we can't save it.
이후로도 실험과 훈련은 계속 진행되었죠.
Okay.
Mind over matter. Are you guys losing any hair?
그 순간 갑자기 경련을 일으키고 쓰러진 피실험자. 첫 사상자가 발생했습니다.
The question is who's next.
Nobody said we were going to die.
We all know the risks. You don't know supposed to. That was before.
이어 갑자기 폭력적으로 변한 자가 나타났고
I think that's it. I know that.
아비게일은 점점 이곳이 위험하다는 생각이 들었습니다. 이어 피부까지 벗겨지는 릭. 하지만 실험은 멈추지 않았습니다.
Allowing you to see through the darkness.
스스로 그날 밤 불편함을 호소하는 릭.
I need somebody here right now!
No, Miss Captain, you have to stay here. When we know something, we'll tell you.
Abby, please.
He's blind!
That's only temporary.
There are cameras in our house. I know you've been watching us.
This is the time. If you don't like it, I'll get rid of them.
He is changing.
Go home. We'll talk about this later.
아비게일은 연구실에 몰래 침입했고 이곳에서 연구 자료를 보게 됩니다.
Your sight will come back in 24 hours.
And watch him turn my husband into a fucking animal.
We are in uncharted waters, Abigail.
You're calling them Homo titanians, right?
It's a new species of man, yes. Nature is unpredictable. Everybody evolves in a different way.
하지만 이제 와서 돌이킬 수도 없는 상황.
All we can do is move forward and hope and pray.
We lied.
I told you what you needed to know at the time. I have more than hope in you, Rick. I have faith.
릭은 이 길을 끝까지 걸어가 보기로 결심하죠.
I can see everything. I want to finish it.
실험은 계속 진행되었고 그럴수록 더 많은 사망자가 발생했습니다. 그리고 마침내 릭과 텔리라는 여군만이 새로운 인류가 되는 데 성공합니다.
Tactile contact. Our hearing can't detect it.
이들은 이투르 타이탄으로 출발할 예정이었고
Still here, Mammy.
We just have to get to the larger side.
이제는 릭이 무서워진 아비게일. 그때 테린이 릭을 찾아온 것을 발견했고 이들은 자신들만의 언어로 소통했습니다. 알고 보니 자신의 남편을 죽이고 온 테린. 이곳에 군인들이 들이닥칩니다. 군인들은 테린에게 마취총을 쏘는데 그대로 사라져버린 릭과 테린.
It's okay. We're okay. Stay here. I'll be right back, sweetie.
Rick! Rick! Please don't run.
Rick's safe, and Lucas. And he's going to survive if we can help. But we need to get him on. Do you understand?
We need to stabilize him first.
If you can make him submit.
Submit to what?
이는 기억을 잃게 하는 주사였죠.
What good would it do if he did? You know he can't stay here. There's no going back.
그렇게 릭의 기억이 완전히 지워진 줄 알았으나 아비게일은 주사를 바꿔치기 했던 것이었고
It's over, Abby. It's done with. Kill your family.
Go fuck yourself.
Shoot them.
What? No, I'm not shooting two unarmed women and a child.
I made him! I made him!
군인들은 교수의 말을 듣지 않았죠. 릭은 사랑하는 가족들과의 기억을 잊지 않았고
Rick changes everything.
얼마 후 릭은 타이탄으로 떠나게 되었죠.